Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. The Gala chart continues to be dancing around the support area that I communicated to you a few days ago. I'm still tracking here potential ABC structure to the upside in line with previous videos. The C wave already reached our target area and got rejected so far perfectly at the 1.38 extension level, which is one of the ideal targets for a C wave. So again, A, B, C. So let's dive into the detailed structure here. The idea is that in the C wave to the upside, we could still stretch a little higher, possibly to 11 cents. Anything above that is, nice to have, but can't really be predicted from the current structure because it would be basically more than normally you would expect from a C wave. But then again, we're in a crypto market and we're in a bullish market, and as long as we don't break below support levels, further upside extensions are possible. I can only show you ideal targets and typically already mention higher targets in a bullish situation here. So yeah, I'm still watching for one more high. I think that's quite likely, at least one more high to either 10 cents, which is the larger resistance level here, also psychologically a very important level, and it would be a high above the Tuesday high, in which the price got rejected at the 8.6 cent level, the 1.38 FIB extension. Above 10 cents, we have the 11 cent level, which is the 1.618 extension level. Now again, going back to the 1 hour chart, I think the structure suggests basically one more high. This move up looks fairly incomplete. So we have a wave 4 of C low that bottomed on Tuesday. And in my preferred scenario, I'd like to see one more high, because ideally we get a 5-wave move in wave 5. Yes, this view can change, right? Other interpretations are possible. I would not rule out that something different is unfolding here, but that would need to reveal itself first. At the moment, I can tell you the trend is up against the support region, and at least one more high is a likely interpretation before a more substantial pullback could form in yellow wave B here, because the move up looks like an ABC structure could then be complete. But because it's a bullish market, I would argue there's a good likelihood that it's forming a larger ABC structure, and that the initial ABC could only form a large A wave. But it seems incomplete. So one more high seems reasonable. Now, as I explained yesterday, we had a descending wedge pattern here. These often break to the upside. Well, it did break out. Is this a sustained break or anything convincing? Not really. So it looks actually quite corrective on the way up. Certainly not yet any strong confirmation that a low has been established in wave 4. I cannot rule out another low and another test of lower support levels at 6.47 or even 5.9 cents. But for now, this wave 4 might have bottomed, and the wave 5 to the upside could still extend further. I mentioned to you 10 or 11 cents. There are two more levels. Basically, it's a target range up here I'm watching between 9.2 cents and 11.5. And within this range, we have the 10 cent level and the 11 cent level. Condition here would be that we're holding the 5.9 cent level, because honestly, a break below that level would be a break below the 50% retracement of this smaller degree third wave. And that would typically be a good indication that a more substantial top has formed. I would then call that yellow wave A complete, and I'm going to watch then for this B wave pullback to unfold. B waves, any pullbacks, can be shallow in a market like this. I would really not know how else to label this. There's not anything else that would really make sense other than maybe a diagonal pattern. But even then, I would, again, as long as we're holding support levels, I'm still leaning for towards further upside more directly. But if we get a deeper pullback, I would count it as a B wave. If anything else is playing out, it will reveal itself at some point, but it's not clear yet. So still watching for higher prices against 5.9 cents, ideally into the target range between 9.2 next and 11.5 cents. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.